Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know for do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Opposition leader Mark Golding says the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions, DPP, has been lagging in its efforts to lay charges against other persons implicated in the multi-million-dollar fraud at Brokerage House Stocks and Securities Limited, SSL. To date, only one person, former wealth advisor Jean Ann Panton, is facing prosecution in connection with the multi-billion-dollar fraud. Meanwhile, Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark says the opposition leader has distorted the facts surrounding the SSL matter. You see the one, Nigel Clark, anytime Mark Golding come out and attack truth, una always come and try twist up things. Why una always do that? The man say DPP is lagging and a blasted through. Everywhere she go, she lag. She lag in a Vibes Cartel case. She lag in a know it. Every blasted thing this woman lagging her. This woman need to get fire, but she a prosecutor. As she mess up Vibes Cartel, that little woman, she forget fire. Why not make this woman resign, man? Why me couldn't make this woman resign? I see him where she lagging at the area for go press charges for Andrew Wellness. Every blasted thing this woman lagging at. Anytime they don't want to lock up somebody, and they don't want press charges, you always see them a delay, and a differ. Why? Why you always do that? Mark Golding not tell no lie. Mark Golding is speaking the truth. And you see Mark Golding, my viewers and subscribers, he is very transparent. I wonder if Jamaican people really sitting down and looking at it that way. You know say Mark Golding is being transparent when Andrew Holness not be transparent, and you have Nigel Clark a follow back at Andrew Holness. You see all you Nigel Clark, when push come to shove, hey, I'm sorry for you. Are you alone Andrew Holness are left in it? You see you, but you're financial minister. You make sure say you have everything like a year. Because Andrew Holness, I say when you una drawn, and you drawn with Andrew Holness are going to left you make a drawn by a blast itself. You. Because every time you come out and twist things, the man say DPP is lagging in arresting the people them. And that the man say. And I show the man attack. The man not tell no lie. Mark Golding not tell no lie. He might tell the truth. This is why I like Mark Golding. Mark Golding reminds me of Michael Manley. Michael Manley stand up for Jamaican people. And this is what Mark Golding is about. This is a leader. Yes, man. Mark Golding is a leader, my viewers and subscribers. Mark Golding and a politician, he's a real leader. He's a real leader. And that is what Andrew Holness is lacking. Leadership. Him not have that. Him not have no leadership whatsoever at all. And when you hear Mark Golding come out and talk things them, you better believe and take heed. Take heed, my Jamaican people. You can't leave Mark Golding alone for fight the battle. We have to come out and fight the battle too. You understand me? Andrew Holness, a corruption. Me tell you already, say him born corruption, him breathe corruption, and he live corruption. And I'm not hide. They're all over Google. All over. If you go up on Google and type in Andrew Holness, you see what come up. Corruption. He is the worst prime minister and the most corrupted prime minister in the Caribbean. Everybody know that Andrew Holness. Nothing to hide. And you know say anything Google say, I saw it go. And that's true. You know that. This is why Andrew Holness want Jamaica to be a republic so him can be president. You just imagine that? Andrew a president? Hey. This need more than crowd to backside. This need more than crowd. This is why him have Marlene Malaho are the one we are do constitution this and constitutional that. Every minute she come out. Oh, she had this, do this, and she are put in that and regulate that. She is the one. She is because remember, me show it over here already. She said Jamaicans are on their journey to be a republic. Me hear talking about TV, I telling you this for a long time. You know much one me hear talking about one, about Andrew Holness and everything what the man say. It just a come to pass. It just a come to pass in front of our very eyes. Yeah, man, a real thing. All who know talking about TV, you can go over there go check him out. Yeah, man. Remember me telling you. So when I hear Mark Golding come out and attack certain things, guys, hey, listen, when if you read between the lines and take heed because this man is very, very transparent. And you only hide pay things and trick on him. Him same one say, if you talk big words, it's a Jamaican people not understand. And every day and come out and use big words. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. My viewers and subscribers, hear this. The People's National Party Parliamentary Group is to meet this morning to decide if it will boycott today's sitting of the House of Representatives, where Prime Minister Andrew Holness is scheduled to deliver his contribution to the 2024-2025 budget debate. Okay, a lot of people is saying, said them fi boycott it. But to me, to tell you the real truth, me not feel them fi a player, like a some Anansi game. Mark Golding is a respectable man. You understand? And Mark Golding, he always be the bigger person. One thing with Mark Golding. And I said, I don't think. Honestly, me not think if you boycott it. Only for people in the comment section. And I say, yes, if you boycott it. But me not really think if you do that. Me think said if you still go. And if Andrew only keep up with his foolishness, they make them way out. That me think. You understand? Because Andrew Holness depends on game thing. And depends on game things. We all know in our no manners and in our no respect. But it's true because Mark Golding is a man with honor. Let me say it out loud. Because they have some so-called senator I come talk about Mark Golding is not honorable. Coupon you, eh? But Mark Golding not honorable. The one Tavares Finson with him bright self. So let me talk loud. You see, because Mark Golding is a man with honor, and I believe in Mark Golding, I don't think Mark Golding should boycott it. Mark Golding, if you hear me, sir, I don't think you should boycott it. Don't play games with Andrew. You see, Andrew Holness like appear tantrum him show. Don't be like Andrew Holness because we know say Andrew Holness is not a prime minister. We know say he's not a leader. We know say him a government badness and that him promote. So we know what he's all about. However, I'm saying that out of respect, sir, for the Jamaican people, I think you should go. If Andrew Holness keep up with his foolishness, I think you should get up and walk out. You understand? Yeah, that's just my opinion. Everybody think different. You get me? But the way how I look at Mark Golding, I don't think he's that type of person. He don't want to play a tick for tack. He's not like that. I don't think so. Yeah, but sometime in life, when people are react certain way, for every action, there's a reaction. You get me? If Mark Golding don't want to go, we just have to agree with him. If Mark Golding don't want to go, go listen to Andrew Holness budget. Because majority of Andrew Holness budget, I could as all pay a lie. Him a come up with and pay promises. Lord Jesus, me don't know where to get that the man there from. I want to love him, so you have some labor right always come over here trace me. And think you hurt my feelings. You can't hurt for my feelings, man. And me hurt for no feelings. Me could come in the comment section and depop me. Hey, my viewers and subscribers. But on a serious note though, Andrew Holness, for him budget when I come out, appear promises. We know that already. Appear promises because him not no idea. Him don't have vision. Andrew Holness not have vision, He not have vision. A whole lot Mark Golding ideas in take away. All other day here Nigel Clark attack when he in a parliament. How him attack everything. Majority, everything when Nigel Clark mentioned, it was Mark Golding idea. Mark Golding is the man with the vision for Jamaica. Wanna hear me? Wanna hear what me say? And no found always a cuss about Mark Golding and to Mark Golding white. When Siaga come, the whole I run up and down behind Siaga. I wanna never have no problem. All when Siaga call with black scandal bag. Nobody never had no problem. But Mark Golding ban. So what is the problem? What is the problem? That me not understand with Uno. You see Uno? So Uno forgot go do no research, you know. The research what Uno for do, Uno and do no for Uno. You labor right. No for Uno people will come over here. The research what Uno for do, Uno not doing. You understand? Uno not doing. And all I'm saying, Mark Golding, I respect you, sir. You see, all when you go out, day before yesterday, I think so. Yeah, when you go out, side and finish your presentation. Hey, when me tell you, say, me give you 50 more stick by your name. Me tell you, say, man, me say, me respect you to the max. Me respect you. All when me look upon the picture, them one to put up on the hands. So, let me show you the picture, my viewers and subscribers. I am so proud of them. Wanna see this picture? If you wanna read this picture tell a story. My wisdom warriors are one of them, man. That picture there tell a story. Tell a real life story. This is why I respect Mark Golding, you know, man. Because when Mark Golding just roll out and say, Andrew, and I said that you do, and things so you're not going to make me finish my presentation today. Out the road, me I take it to the streets. You know see that? Mark Golding take it to the streets. This is why me always tell you, say, take it to the streets. You understand me? Take it to the street because the power is in our hands. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, hear this. Political analyst urges Golding PNP MP to hold on Parliament at different location. Wanna hear that? Political analyst urges Golding PNP MPs to hold on Parliament at different location. Me say, Lord Jesus, the place would that me say Andrew Holness would stress out. You know, just imagine Mark Golding take this amount of advice, eh? Hey, my viewers and subscribers, me not telling you like sweet me. Would I really like to see this, you know? Me say would I really like Mark Golding do this? I would love Mark Golding take on this idea. What a piece of hot claps in a Jamaica, eh? Hey, Lord Jesus, Mark Golding, political analyst urges you and the MP to hold your own parliament at a different location. Who is repping for Mark Golding to hold him own a parliament at a different location? Hey, my wisdom warriors, who is repping for this? Just imagine Mark Golding have he own a parliament and Andrew Holness have he own a... Hey, this would have nice, you know? It would have nice. Yeah, that for happen for true. I would like to see it. I would love to see it. Just to see Andrew Holness' face. So when Andrew Holness the over for him apartment now, then Mark Golding now can look on the TV and just see Andrew Holness talk to him. And when Mark Golding do film thing, then Andrew Holness can look on the TV and look and see what Mark Golding do. Yeah, because right now, listen, a prime minister cause all of this, you know, because remember say Andrew Holness know say he have film day when I go to film budget. He know he have film day. Film day is coming. So why you couldn't buy teen lip? You know why you couldn't buy teen lip? You know why I tell you now? Because it is a conflict of interest. It affects him emotionally. My wisdom warriors, you see, if Juliet Holness wasn't his wife, he wouldn't feel nowhere. You know that? Just imagine, just look into it. Just imagine the speaker of the house was somebody else. He wouldn't do that. But this is why I'm telling you, it is a conflict of interest. Because if anybody at all, if Juliet Holness has said anything, or anybody at all, I go stand up to Juliet. Remember say them are human, so him go feel some type of way. This is why she should never be house speaker. She should never, and they know what they did is wrong because you never see no husband and wife be no house speaker and no prime minister. You never see that. You understand? Because if anything fi happen, if push and shove fi come and then fi go court, Juliet couldn't go court. Prime Minister couldn't go to court. You understand? Because they're my husband and wife. My wisdom warriors, but wanna tell me one thing, you know. Me just come over here. I'm only the messenger. And you know that already. I speak for the voiceless, for my people. Me love my brothers and sisters. And we want betterment for our Jamaican people. And we want betterment for our country. We want people to stop have us have a laughing stock. Only not even you see only people way up on the ground. Some of you don't even know how people are laugh at away. For Andrew Honest take up himself. Take up himself and pick up himself and go sign some more agreement. That was the last straw. That was the last straw. And nobody come out and protest. You know why? Because he use the big words and you never understand. And then the thing with Uno no ask no question. Uno no say break it down for me there, Andrew. Nothing. Remember, he come out, and talk about, the summer agreement. He didn't get into it. This is why you see some people from the churches, they said he should come out and explain it properly because the churches, they know exactly what is going on. You understand me? The only church them will agree with it, my viewers and subscribers, I want them to Andrew Honest must say buy out. You understand? Allege buy out. Coming not sure about that one day. So I don't know, so me have to use me allege. You understand? Right. That's so. But anyway, wanna tell me one thing. Put on honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. On a big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.